3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is transforming the way we design, create, and interact with the world. It's like magic, but instead of wands, we use cutting-edge technology. Imagine a world where you can print anything from intricate jewelry to complex aircraft parts, all at the touch of a button. This is the power of 3D printing. This revolutionary technology works by building three-dimensional objects layer by layer from a digital design. It uses materials like plastics, metals, ceramics, and even living cells to create objects that were once impossible to manufacture using traditional methods. The possibilities are endless, limited only by our imagination. 3D printing is not just about cool gadgets and futuristic concepts. It's about solving real-world problems, improving lives, and shaping a better future. From personalized healthcare solutions to sustainable manufacturing practices, 3D printing is driving innovation across industries, making it one of the most exciting and promising fields of the 21st century. This is more than just a technology. It's a revolution. It's a call to action for creators, innovators, and dreamers to join the movement and unlock a future filled with limitless possibilities. Entering the world of 3D printing requires a unique set of skills. It's a blend of technical expertise, artistic vision, and problem-solving acumen. This field welcomes individuals who are passionate about technology, eager to learn, and driven to push the boundaries of what's possible. Firstly, a strong foundation in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics is crucial. Understanding the principles of design, engineering, and materials science is essential for creating functional and innovative 3D printed objects. You'll be working with complex software and machinery, so technical proficiency is key. However, it's not just about technical skills. Creativity and design thinking are equally important. The ability to conceptualize and translate ideas into 3D models is what sets apart a good 3D printing professional from a great one. You need to be able to think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions to design challenges. Finally, strong problem-solving skills and a willingness to learn and adapt are essential. As 3D printing technology is constantly evolving, you need to be a quick learner, able to troubleshoot issues and embrace new advancements in the field. The path to a rewarding career in 3D printing is as diverse as the technology itself. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, and individuals with varying educational backgrounds can find their niche in this dynamic field. Whether you're a recent high school graduate or a seasoned professional looking to switch careers, there are multiple entry points available. For those seeking a formal education, bachelor's and master's degree programs in mechanical engineering, manufacturing engineering, industrial design, and material science provide a strong foundation. Many universities now offer specialized courses and concentrations in additive manufacturing, equipping students with the latest knowledge and skills. However, a traditional degree isn't the only path to success. Vocational schools and technical colleges offer associate degrees and diploma programs in 3D printing technology, providing hands-on training and practical experience. These programs focus on the technical aspects of 3D printing, such as machine operation, maintenance, and troubleshooting. In addition to formal education, certifications from reputable organizations like ASTM International and the Society of Manufacturing Engineers, SME, can enhance your credibility and demonstrate your expertise to potential employers. These certifications validate your knowledge and skills in specific areas of 3D printing, such as design, materials, or processes. The beauty of a career in 3D printing lies in its vast and ever-expanding scope. It's not just a single job, but a universe of opportunities spanning across various industries and disciplines. Whether you're passionate about healthcare, aerospace, fashion, or any other field, there's a place for you in the world of 3D printing. One of the most in-demand roles is that of a 3D printing technician. They are the backbone of the industry, operating and maintaining 3D printing equipment, ensuring the smooth running of production processes, and troubleshooting any technical glitches. Their expertise lies in understanding the intricacies of the machines and optimizing them for optimal performance. For those with a creative flair and a keen eye for design, a career as a 3D modeler or designer might be the perfect fit. These professionals are responsible for creating the digital blueprints that bring 3D printed objects to life. They use sophisticated software like CAD, computer-aided design, to design intricate models, ensuring that the final product meets the desired specifications. If research and development excite you, then becoming a 3D printing engineer or researcher could be your calling. These professionals are at the forefront of innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with 3D printing. They develop new materials, refine existing processes, and explore novel applications for this transformative technology.